Hello guys, my name is Tito and this is my friend.
I'm Andrey.
So in this time I will show you how to solve cube to x2. But before I start this tutorial, I will give you some story behind Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube is a famous puzzle toy created in 1974 by Rubik. The complexity and vibrant colors of this puzzle make this puzzle very popular and developing. A 2x2 Rubik's Cube is one of many developments. This video presents how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, the easier version of original 3xt Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, solving a Rubik's Cube has a lot of benefits, such as improves memorization, improves patience, improves problem-solving skills, enhances concentration and configuration, get rid of boredom, and even can be used to break an addiction. So in this video, we will give you some direction to solve Rubik's Cube 2x2 with Orthega method. Let's check this out.
Let's go!
Hi guys, so here we with my friend that loves the Rubik's Cube. What's your name, sir?
Hello everyone, my name is Afis.
Hafiz. Okay, so how long you've been playing the Rubik's Cube?
I've been playing Rubik's Cube since I was in elementary school.
Okay, so I always find Rubik's Cube is super cool, but I have no idea how to solve it. So can you please tell me briefly how to solve it? How to solve the Rubik's Cube?
So, well, Rubik's Cube is, for a beginner, it looks like very complicated. Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, sorry,
This
sorry.
one. I want the small one. I want the small one.
small
the
one,
small
okay.
Rubik's Cube. Yeah, the 2x2. Yeah.
This is look complicated, but this is not that complicated actually.
Alright. Yeah.
This have simple step, 4 simple step. The first one, you have to make the right side, and then you make the yellow side.
Alright.
And then you just need to what you call it? You should,
The front side of the
yes, the front side and the side.
and the side and the side and then
Yeah.
and then
And then boom,
boom. Alright.
it's fixed.
It's solved. It's solved.
It's solved.
Alright. I guess it's very simple.
Yeah, it's very simple actually.
Just simple steps. And so in this video, I'm going to elaborate more about how to solve this small Rubik's Cube. Thank you, Hafiz.
Thank you.
So, before we begin our steps, there are several moves that you will need to be able to solve this Rubik's Cube. First is right, R accent, L accent, L, F accent, U accent, B accent, D accent. The first step is make the base side. In this case, I use right side. So we put it like this, and that right side need to go down. So using your intuition, there is no specific algorithm for this step. So boom, the right side, the base side is done. And then the second step is you make the top side, which is the yellow side. There are 7 algorithms you need to memorize to be able to solve this. So the first pattern is when you have the yellow on top and then the rest of the yellow is clockwise, sort of clockwise like that. You use this algorithm. And then the second pattern is you have the yellow on top and then the rest of the yellow is counterclockwise. And then the third pattern is you have 2 yellow on top and then the rest of the yellow is on the side. use this algorithm. The fourth pattern is you have the yellow on top and the rest of the yellow is on the front of that yellow. The fifth, you have two yellow on top diagonally, and then you have the other yellow in position like that. You do this algorithm. The sixth, you have two yellow in opposite direction. And the last, you have yellow on opposite direction, and then the rest of the yellow is two yellow on the front. You do this algorithm. That's the first one. Those are the algorithm for the top side, and if you have solved the bottom side and the top side, which is the yellow and the white, you only have one last step to solve the whole cube. So if you have two bar on top and two bar on the bottom, you have to position those bars on the front side. If the top bar is not on the front side, you have to make it on the front side like this. So you do this algorithm. And it's done. Easy, right? And then the second algorithm is if you have only two bars on top, like that, you put those two bar on the front side. Doesn't matter the bottom side of that front side. You do this algorithm. It's done. The third algorithm is if you have like this pillars pattern, the same color like this beautiful pattern, or these are the variation like that. You do this algorithm, so easy. And the cube is done. The fourth is if you have the bottom side and the top side solved, and the bottom side is all the same color, the first layer are the same color, and you have a fully solved color on the left, you do this algorithm. And the last algorithm is if you have the first layer solved, the same color, and you have like a opposite direction that need to be solved. You see that? Yeah. Just do this algorithm. Boom! The whole cube is done. Easy.
That's it. It's so easy, right? Keep on practicing and you will be cooler than the previous you.
That's all from us. I'm Vito.
I'm Andrey.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.